Hello everybody, how's it going? DirtCat Brothers here. We are 100% self-funded car channel. Every like, subscription, comment, share that you give us greatly helps us out. So before I go into the video of this and about this car and others, after this video I'm going to take a 2-week hiatus off. Yeah, this year's been whatever, so and so, but I gotta get some stuff done. Since I'm still a one-man army and Tucker will not be here for possibly another month's time, I gotta get some stuff moved around. And I will be posting up shorts from our deleted TikTok and other things around the property for vehicles, so yeah, just to keep things up. So I cannot apologize enough of what the decision I'm going to be making on this. As the title of the video states, this says, since it's going to be uploaded on Friday instead of Sunday, I need a parts car. I'm not asking for one. I'm not begging for one. I need a parts car. I want it to be a 46 Chevrolet, Fleetline, nothing else. I will not accept Cadillac unless if it's extremely rusted and dilapidated out and the top is still okay along with the sides. That's the only way I'll accept it. But it has to be a 46 Chevrolet Fleetline. And since this is a very rare 42 Cadillac, because of the lines right there of how the chrome strip is, and since this is a World War II production number, I'm willing to sacrifice a Fleetline for this. Now I love Chevrolet, just as much as everything else, but I consider Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Cadillac, Buick, Oldsmobile, Pontiac higher than Chevrolet. I'd rather sacrifice a normal Chevrolet in order to fix this car. Realization did hit. I went and checked the equipment that I do have. Now I can cut and replicate the shape. However, I do not have the necessary tools. I thought I still had them, but no. Those must also have been stolen years ago when all the other equipment was stolen. So I don't have my little press to do the indentations and also stuff to cut out the shapes and sizes, yeah. I'm in defeat. I'm still happy about everything, but it's just like, dang, the other equipment that we've had, between me and Tucker, and then what I had personally, it's gone. And the other stuff that I do have, I can't replicate it once I thought. Because I still thought I still had all the parts. I mean, not the parts, the tools in order to do this part, to replicate the part, for this side. Because I don't have nothing for fine detail to do this right here, because it bends over and then it lips underneath, along with this right here. That's fine. Odd indentation, both sides are the same, because this is an odd kind of lip right here. So yeah, I need a donor car, and it's going to be a 46 Chevrolet. Now, like I said, if I find something that's dilapidated, completely rusted out, or that's not even savable by any means, then yeah, I'll use it for a parts car. But like I said, since this is a very rare 42 Cadillac sedanette, fastback coupe, yeah, I'm gonna part out a 46 Chevrolet Fleetline for this. Not much else to say. I want to finish, cleaning it out, so that way rust does not, or excuse me, moisture will not collect. Yeah, we had some more rain just recently. But, yeah, I'm going to need a parts car. Again, do apologize to everyone, because, I've been hyping this up and everything. And I thought I still had the tools to do that. But, looking at that, and to what I thought I had, and to what I need, I can't do it. So, yep, I bit off more than I could chew. And like I said, I thought I still had the tools to do this, but I do not. So I'll finish cleaning this out, use the shop vac, get everything neato torpedo on this, and put some of the stuff back into it. grab an extremely thick tarp that'll last till doomsday, cover this up to save it back, and then put it on hiatus until I could get a parts car for it. I want to take pictures, thorough pictures, and then post them up on Facebook Marketplace around November. But once I get some stuff organized, and when the oil change is scheduled for the truck and tire rotation, I'm going to drive around in the countryside, try to locate at least something, because I know there's still some old cars over there in the neighboring state that has not been touched. So yep, I can understand that people will be upset about me with this, and you have every full right. I'm not going to deny you that right to be angry at me about this. You can rip me out in the comment section or whatever. You can cuss me out and everything. Won't blame you one bit. Won't blame you one bit. But now I need a parts car. So that's what realization is. I need a parts car for this. And people ask me, how can you tell that this is a 42? This is the only year Cadillac that has this sort of strip right here. Strip right here, also going to the front fender, and back fenders would have it too. And also underneath is very specific for this year. They all have them, but this right here, this chrome strip, the indentation, I guess this is very specific for 42. 41s have them, but 42 is very, very specific. First thought this was a 47, then 41, but no, 42. So, yep, that's the whole reason why I'd rather sacrifice a 46 Chevrolet Fleetline. And Fleetline is just another term for a fastback. But that's the reason why I'd sacrifice a 46 Chevrolet Fleetline for this. So, yeah, again, can't apologize enough. This is what happens with reality, and also finding out that a lot of your tools were taken years ago. Because, like I said, I had stuff that I could do this. But turns out I don't. And plus, I don't have a bead roller and a few other things. So, yep, that's pretty much the end of that for right now. But anywho, for easy projects, I'm not going to really show a video on cutting these up. I'm just going to post up shorts when the time comes to time, so that way I can focus on other things. Get back to the main projects at hand to get the channel rolling forward once again, you know, the stuff over here, and kind of move forward. So, don't know what else to say. That's pretty much that. So I need a parts car. I can't afford to really grab one off the bat, so I'm kind of hoping for something that's very, very dirt cheap, because I can't afford to travel across states and leave my elderly parent to herself to fend for herself, and other siblings work for a living. So I'm just gonna have to hope for something close here at home. So alrighty, that's pretty much that. So again, we're 100% self-funded car channel. Every like, comment, subscription, and share helps us out greatly and growing, and then we could eventually afford stuff that we need to fix stuff, you know, like this and on other things. Yep, so I'll finish cleaning this out and then put this over by Big Red, tarp it extremely good, block it up, and search around for a parts car. And oh, before I forget, I am talking with a few people, trying to see on what reasonable price they have for the A-pillars on that. Haven't heard back from anyone yet on anything, because they're busy, which is understandable. But I think in the end I might just have to contact that giant salvage yard over there in the eastern part of the US for Mopars. It is what it is. So alrighty, I'll catch you all later. And again, I do apologize, and I understand that people will be upset about the decision on this, but at least I did some things on it. I guess that counts for something, I suppose. I don't know how else to say. I'm still happy about it, but also defeated demeanor. Well, you really can't really can't get everything that you want. So I do need a parts car. I need a parts car, and that has to be a 46 Chevrolet, and I won't accept anything else unless if the car itself is too far gone. So alrighty, I'll bid you all adieu. Thank you very much for the love and support. So I'll catch you all later.